Hello, Facebook Live. Happy Monday to everybody. It is Monday afternoon, 4 o'clock cocktail time with Jamie. Give everybody a minute to log on here. I know it takes a little bit of time. Thank you everybody for the support this weekend. It was awesome. Our Oktoberfest menu is doing awesome. Thank you. Hope everybody got out. It was absolutely beautiful and gorgeous outside this weekend. It really was. I did a 4-mile walk on yesterday. I think I ran Saturday. It was beautiful. It was really, really beautiful. Hello everybody. Hello Candace. Hello Shane. Thank you so much for watching me today. I appreciate it. So tonight it's Monday. We are doing a buy one, get one free wings to go this evening. So just call 647-3000, place an order, and you have a choice between, there's smoked wings, hot or barbecue. Give a call, you'll get 2 orders. We just brought in organic wings. Are they local, Marcus? Local Hudson Valley organic wings. So you get 6. What are they called? They're like double joint. They're double joint. Two joints. So it has the wing and the drum attached together, right? So that is tonight. So buy one, get one free wings. Hot or barbecue is available. 647-3000 to place your order for that. We do have our regular menu available as well. Then we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. Back reopen on Thursday. We do our burger night Thursday night, so $9.99 burgers to go on Thursday night. And then we have our Oktoberfest available every day. We have a bratwurst, we have a vegan bratwurst, we have a Bavarian pretzel, and we have a couple orders of an absolutely delicious smoked pork porterhouse left. So that is, hopefully we'll get some more for the weekend. Our salmon, I'm sorry if you've called and ordered salmon in the last couple of days. Our salmon supply got low and it was out of stock, so we should be getting our salmon on Wednesday. Our frozen wild salmon, you can order 6, 12, or a 10-pound case. You can take that home, put it in your freezer, and cook it at home. Hello Pam, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, everybody. If you're watching me live, if you can put #live in the comments. If there's a drink that you'd like to see me make, put a drink in there. I can look it up. I can try to make it for you. Hello Anthony, hello Bill. Thanks everybody for watching. I love seeing all of the faces, and everybody give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live. I love to see who's on. So thank you everybody very much. Next Monday we have a special guest that'll be in house, Michael Davidson from Black Infusions will be here. We're going to be doing a tasting with him outside in the garden. It will be, you will actually get to make a drink. I think he's bringing some stuff for you to take home. Today I'm actually going to be using his Apricot vodka in my Daiquiri, so that's kind of the little twist today. He also makes this awesome fig vodka, which we have a fig and peach punch on our menu right now. It is amazing. Everybody loves it. So Monday night, $25 in the garden. You can make drinks with me, taste some apricot and fig drinks, taste the vodka by itself. Marcus will make a dish. You get 1 dish. So it will be, I think, 3 drinks, 1 dish. In the garden, $25, can't beat that. Share it with a friend, tag somebody that you know that would like that, and join us on Monday. So just call ahead, 647-3000 to place your order for that. And let's see, our grocery store is still rocking and rolling. We just brought in a bunch of new stuff. We have taco shells, we have a Hudson Valley new green salsa, we have carnaroli, we have pancake mix, we have agave, we have maple syrup, we have honey. We have so much cool stuff, olive oil. If you haven't checked out our market, please come in, check it out. You can buy wine to go, food to go. We have some spirits to go as well. And we'd love to have you come in. We still have pina colada in our slushy machine. I think there might be a couple more orders of the Italian spritz available. And then I think we'll stick with just the pina colada for the next couple of months. Everybody's loving the pina colada. So Or maybe we'll move to a Negroni. Actually, I think we'll move to a Negroni next, frozen Negroni in the slushy machine after this pina colada. We'll do that next, so give it a little variety. Thanks everybody, I appreciate you watching. I have a shaker here. We're gonna make an apricot daiquiri today. So we are going to start with 1.5 ounces of apricot vodka. Ooh, this apricot vodka is not open. I guess we sold one. Oh no, it's open. Twist off, sorry. 1.5 ounces. And we're gonna put 1 ounce of rum, Gilbert's rum. And 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. We are going to shake that up. Hello, Susan. Hello, Joe. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. We're going to put it on the rocks. So I'm going to put some ice in my cup. Again, if you want to join us on Monday evening, I will be with Michael Davidson, the owner of Black Infusions. He has a fig vodka, an apricot vodka. We'd love for you to join us. It's outside in the garden. It's social distance. I'm going to shake that up real good. So an apricot daiquiri. Maybe this will be one of the drinks we make. I haven't quite decided on the drinks yet. Wow, look at that. Frothy, and look how delicious that looks. Wow. Yummy. Cheers, everybody. That's very nice. Daiquiris I don't think are supposed to be super sweet. Are they, Marcus? No, right? A daiquiri's not supposed to be super sweet. It's nice. You can add a little agave to it if you want it to be a little bit sweeter. I like my drinks just a little tad bit sweeter, but I actually think I'm going to add a drop more of the pineapple juice. Nice daiquiri, apricot daiquiri. Tonight we are open. Aroma Time is open tonight. We have buy one, get one free orders of wings to go. Call ahead, 647-3000, place your order. You can have hot or barbecue. You can get other food off of our menu as well. And then we're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays, and reopen on Thursday with our $9.99 burger special. So that seems to be super popular. There's more and more people joining. So if you're joining me, if you're just joining, I just made an apricot daiquiri. We talked about our dinner on Monday night. And if you want to say hi to me, just give me a wave, give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. I'm going to sign off. I got to get ready to open the restaurant. We are open tonight. So we have outdoor dining. If it rains, we will do indoor dining. Our dining room is ready for indoor. We really didn't see many people inside this weekend. We didn't really have to. It was beautiful out. I know the weather is starting to get cooler. I know this next weekend will be a little cooler. So let's see. I guess that is all. That's it for now. Hello, Kate. Hello, everybody. Thanks again. And I am going to sign off. Cheers. Happy Monday to everybody. Have an awesome, amazing week. Go out there, do your best. And that is it. Have a great night, everybody.